where VBIT was established with the cherished goals such as serving the society, directed by giving value and moral-based education. With this kind of inspiration, we progress in academic excellence by producing socially and culturally relevant citizens. In doing this, as a history witness, pleasures and pains, we do witness ups and downs in our 4 years of successful journey. We accept our flaws sportively and learn a lot from it, and through our success again, we walk down the same path to achieve it, retain it continuously. Before dwelling into today's function, let me give the brief gist of VBIT College by highlighting a few among them. In the month of January 2013, we have conducted 2 days program on personality development by Endamuri Vedannath Garu for all students except final year. On January 3rd, 4th and 5th, 2013, we have conducted a career training program for all students by Mr. Samuel Sadish, MD of Eye-Opener, Chennai. One of our faculty is qualified in UGC NET examination by name Assistant Professor Jairam Krishna from EC Department. We organized recently a national level technical symposium Summit 2K13 on 16 February 2013 in a grand manner. We organized a special camp of NSS for 7 days in Chapadu Mandal, and also different NSS activities like HIV awareness program, blood grouping, blood donation, save water and safe water campaignings. 2 faculty members are pursuing their PhD from JNUA Anantapur. 2 faculty members are accomplished MTech in this academic year. 2 more faculty members attended for national level workshops which were conducted by CREST, Center for Research, Sadhana and Training at Kharagpur. One of our final year EC students by name Mr. M. Raviteja is qualified in GRE. 14 number of international journals have been published by staff members. 18 numbers of students have participated in different technical symposiums and stood in first position. 15 members of faculty successfully succeeded in producing their 10% results in their respective subjects in this academic year. In this academic year, we got a huge number of admissions from other states when we compared with previous year. A pleasant and colorful welcome to this Euphoria 2K13 is organized to create a wonderful platform to exhibit your talents, caliber and potentialities which cannot be exhibited in regular course of studies. Today we are going to taste a salad of cultural entertainment events within few minutes. Before that, I would like to share with you our experiences of these 4 years tenure in a nutshell. Like a stone is broken by the last stroke of hammer. This doesn't mean that the first stroke is useless. Success is a result of continuous effort. Our students practice moral values, leadership qualities and discipline etc. in all aspects in their lives. They also learn to express themselves from the core of their heart. On this memorable day and significant milestone in our journey, standing on the brink of your future, here I am recollecting one of the great persons saying, when your commitment is deeper than the sea and your ambition is taller than the sky, then your future will be brighter than the sun. At this stage and age, only you all have to focus on your career. That is, if you cannot find the brighter side of the career, then polish the darker side of the career. Attitude is an instrument to pursue better career. Until you are inside of the college, you all play with your lives, and when you go out of this college, life plays with you, so don't be the victim in the hands of life. Before I sign out, I hope you will enjoy each and every bit of this function and at the same time boost up the confidence with moral and spirits of the participants. Thank you, and once again, have a great memorable evening and set new standards. I wish you all the best for your future.